So I'm here with Francois. Tell us a bit about yourself.
All right, so Francois Ruf, based in Switzerland. I'm the co-founder of NetBreeze, started in 1998.
Yeah.
Sold the company last March to Microsoft. Now within Microsoft, responsible for Microsoft Social Listening, which is NetBreeze and Dynamics Marketing.
Excellent. So how have you found your first year in Microsoft?
Well, it's kind of a different experience than it was as a startup type
Yeah, of course.
But at the end of the day, you know, it's just you get so much more resources to get stuff done.
Yeah.
So that's excellent, right?
Yeah. So tell us about with the future of Microsoft Social Listening. Are you pretty excited about where the trajectory is kind of going to go?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you know, we have now the power to really add the stuff that we need into the solution.
Yeah.
And of course, the first installation base will be the CRM users.
Yeah.
But I think beyond that, there is a big role within Microsoft itself. Because that's why it's called Microsoft Social Listening and Dynamics.
I noticed that yesterday.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So I think there is from the user base and then the use cases. I mean, there's almost endless possibilities.
Yeah.
And actually, you know, you can actually line it up with Yammer, which is the social enterprise.
That's right.
And this is the internal view, and we deliver the external view.
Yeah.
So you can think about, you can start packaging stuff together.
Yeah, fantastic. So are you based in the US or still back in Switzerland?
Still in Switzerland.
Wow, so a lot of commuting?
Yeah, I mean, the team is in Zurich.
Yeah.
In Copenhagen, Redmond, and Hyderabad.
Wow,
So.
wow. Fantastic. So I don't know how much you've worked with the Dynamics MVP community.
Not much.
Not much.
Now.
Yeah. So how could we add more value to you, as in, you know, we're customer facing, ultimately with lots of customer sites. What would you like us to do more and, you know, that we can support you and what you do?
Yeah, that's a good question. Actually, I really prefer to work with a few customers, you know, that have a very specific scenario.
Yeah.
And then you can enable this one and see how whether you can productize the stuff. So from the MVP community, I would expect more that they oversee more customers.
Yeah.
And say, well, for these customers, right, these are the pain points, and these are the opportunities.
Yeah.
And on the other hand, we have a lot of scenarios, right, that we're building right now.
Yeah.
So it would be great to double check these scenarios with you guys.
Yeah.
To say whether that's actually fits the need of your customers.
Yeah. So before the acquisition happened, did you have any particular industry group that used your technology more than another? Did you see a consultant? Was it like around insurance or banking? Did you see any? You know,
we're based in Switzerland, so we sold a lot into the financial industry.
Right. So okay.
Reinsurance industry. Insurance industry. Banks. Retail, investment banking. Because they have a lot of money.
Yeah, absolutely. So is there any particular industries that you think are really, if you like, potentially going to adopt this technology quicker than another industry type?
Well, you know, it's obvious that B2C, right?
Yeah.
They have to adopt it. And a lot of them already are doing social listening. So that's clear. Financial industry is actually pretty conservative.
Yep, you're right.
But still they see that customer experience is getting like the only way how they can differentiate. So because they're doing all the same stuff, right? So that's why it's getting more and more important. But at the end of the day, I think that for most businesses, I see that, you know, it's like with websites, right? There was a question when do you need a website, yes or no? And now it's like, do you need to engage in the social space, yes or no? So in 2 or 3 years, nobody questioned it anymore. It's just standard to use that stuff, right?
Excellent. Hey, it's been great talking to you. Is there anything you'd like to add in closing?
No, I'm just looking forward to work with you guys.
Yeah, fantastic. Thanks for your time.
Okay.